Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will solve another problem. So the problem is we have to print the series A, C, E, F, H, so on up to Z. So what we are printing? Every odd number character we are printing. So every odd number character you are we have to print. So here please listen carefully. So we are doing we have to print the every odd number character. So if you want, try by your own. Just please pause the video and try to write the code. So try to write the code. So after writing the code, if you don't get it, then you can watch my video. So try to pause the video and try to write the code. You will get how to you can think how to solve this problem. So I hope you understand this problem. So let us write the program. Import java dot util dot start. So we have to traverse from. So yesterday's video I have told you, right? So we have to traverse from character 97. So now what is 97? The ASCII value for the A. So till we have to traverse till equal to Z. Sorry, Z means 122. So CS should be traverse until 122. And after that, CS should be plus plus. So we are starting from 97 and it should be traverse until 122. Why I have written less than or equal to? Because each and every number should be less than 122. 97, 98, 99, 100. So each number should be less than 122. So why I'm writing CH here? So what is the CH value? 97, right? So it's 97 less than or equal to 122. And after that plus plus 98 less than or equal to 122. Plus plus 99 less than or equal to 122. So whenever this condition fails, then only this loop will be cancelled or the iteration will be stopped. So we have to print the odd characters. So I will use the if tool. So if ch mod 2 is not equal to 0. So then we have to print. So then we have to print. Then we have to print the character of ch. Why I'm writing character of ch? Because I have to convert the number into the character. So here ch is not a character, it is an integer. 97, right? 97 is an integer. So I want to convert that ASCII value of 97. I have to convert that 97 into the alphabet. So how I can convert that number into the alphabet? By using the char method. Char here. See, I'm writing char in the closed and the open closed brackets. So after that, I'm just writing ch. So this value is 97, right? So 97 of char, right? 97 of char. So I'm asking. So what is the ASCII value for 97? Which character will be appear? I'm asking. So it will appear A. So why I'm writing if condition here? Why I'm writing odd conditions? See here, each and every time the odd character will be present. So 1, 3, 5, 7. See. So I'm writing the odd number logic. So I hope you understand the program. So if you don't understand the program, please watch the video again. And If you find this video helpful for you, please like it, and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon, so then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.